See, healthy aging begins very early. It's not when we get old and then you adopt good practices and become healthy. This trait starts when we are children. So that means yoga to be adapted at a very early stage of life. Keeping that relevance in mind, perhaps this theme is chosen. This is 12th year of celebration, 12th IDY celebration, International Day of Yoga celebration. So that's why 12 iconic locations have been chosen, and we are celebrating every nooks and corner of the of India. But special emphasis is given on these 12 iconic sites where we will be celebrating in coordination with the concerned state and union territories, and involving all the dignitaries or especially the BBIPs present over there. Like this year, a concept like Yoga 365 has been introduced. That means yoga, we should not restrict it only to International Day of Yoga, that is 21st of June. Yoga being so relevant in life, we should inculcate that habit, and we should do yoga 365 days a year. So that's how this concept emerged, and now Ministry of Ayush is planning that we should do some another activity throughout the year for the people, so that yoga comes in the lives of people for the entire year together. See, yoga is a very miraculous thing, in the sense it offers solution to all sectors of people, maybe old, maybe aged, maybe healthy, maybe fit to a person, maybe for people having some specific ailment, diseases like high blood pressure, sugar. Like as you know, in the 100 countdown day, we we launched 10 yoga protocol for non-communicable diseases. So Ministry of Ayush is targeting all sects and all facets where the people will be benefited from yoga. Yoga changes life. So do yoga every day, and do it for some time, and then you understand how it has changed your life. And once you feel that, you can't give up also, because your mind, your heart, your body will ask you to do it more. So the most important thing is, perhaps yoga is the biggest blessing of India to the mankind. So India being the home to yoga, we should practice yoga every day and reap the benefit the most. Okay, one more initiative from Ministry of Ayush side that all of us will agree with me that of late the frequency of air travel has increased in each of us life. So when we travel in the aircraft, we remain very sedentary, and that affects the health. So Ministry of Ayush, in consultation with all yoga experts, has developed a protocol where all the people sitting in the aircraft itself do certain yoga postures sitting on the chair without disturbing the co-passenger and being healthy. Especially for air travelers who travel for long hours in the international flights, I think this will be very beneficial. One more initiative from Ministry of Ayush side is we are trying to develop some of the part of some parks as yoga parks, where people, if they know, they believe this, and going outside and doing yoga, like it is nothing like better than that. So people should have an option to find out in the app itself where the yoga park is located. And here we are not actually doing it from the Ministry of Ayush side. We are actually promoting the CSR initiatives, so that all the companies who are interested to spend money in the health sector, they can invest here and can develop a portion of the park as your park, so that people residing in and around can avail the benefit and do yoga every day. Yes. So I would request the people of India as well as abroad that whatever activities we do, especially the yoga activities that we will do in the 21st of June, please do register in the Yog Sangam portal that is there in the Ministry of Ayush website.